Hello everybody, so on today's episode of Big D Does for Truck's Sake stuff, we've got two 24-foot side cabins that we're going to be moving from our yard over to York. We're going to meet the Hiab on site and we're going to just film a bit of the journey up and show you guys what goes into actually moving these containers. And we've got a flatbed today instead of the low loader, so I've done a little just a little walk around, show you how we couple up and get the flat on, so enjoy. Ow! Just on my knee, got them proper. Hello, puppy dog. Ooh! Cheers. It's nice. There we go. We're out of that trailer. Oh, we couple up to the flatbed. Tug test. 1, 2. Yep, I think that's working. So we couple up onto the flatbed. We're going to put the correct couple of stages black, brakes, legs there, clip, kingpin, and then when we couple up we do it in reverse. So kingpin, clip. Oh, it's tight to get into that. And greasy. We'll get the airlines on now. ABS lead, trailer light, that one, trailer lights, that one, red airline, yellow airline, go, so done, kingpin, clip, air. Next is legs. Wind the legs up on the trailer. I'll wind them down. Do. So we've coupled up to the trailer now. Done kingpin, clip, airline, legs, class 1, brakes. Quick walk around just to make sure everything's working, all lights are working, wheels are on, tyres are on and up and inflated. What we need is a number plate and all, which I do have a square one in the truck. So, working. Here comes my load. The two 20-foot cabins that we're taking to York today. Here's the first. The clearance. I'll let Daz do whatever he's doing. He knows more than me about forklifts. Do you want me to level the air off, Daz? No, we all good. Do you want me? What's that?
Got straps?
Only those two that are on the floor.
I'll get some off Jim's wagon.
Yeah. Do you want me to lower the air down on this?
No, you'll be alright.
Yeah, you sure? Right. Start.
There's a electric box on the side.
Yeah, make sure you
Make
don't
sure
hit.
I don't hit it.
Okay. Well. Daddy, whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on. Whoa. Alright, that's it. Done that before, haven't you?
Go round the wall.
Let's have a look. No, you're fully turned there. Oh, she got overhang on it today. What are we doing? Shouldn't have got a little overhang. I reckon one strap does plenty on these. Chassis rail. What's that?
Job already on your phone.
I'll have a look now. We got flags and that. Do they need flags on them?
What, mate?
Do they need flags on it or anything?
Allowed to do that. You got any?
Yeah, have you got magnets?
No beacons on the back of the trailer either.
Asking for a pull on we. duct tape's as good as it's going to get for this job. That's all we got. Well, that's quite literally all we've got. And some more. Continue where we left off with the duct tape situation. Oh, duct tape's as good as a bungee cord.